Understanding queues, the basics.
A queue is a simple yet powerful data structure in computer science. It follows the first in, first out, or FIFO principle. This means the first element added is the first one removed. Imagine people waiting in line. Whoever arrives first gets served first. Queues are used in programming to organize and manage tasks, data, or resources efficiently.
How does a queue work?
Items are added to the back, called the rear, and removed from the front, known as the front. You can only look at or remove the front item and only add new items to the rear. Common queue operations include enqueue, to add items, and dequeue, to remove them. This structure ensures predictable and orderly processing.
Real-world queue examples in programming.
Queues appear in many everyday programming scenarios. They are essential in print job management, handling tasks as they come in. Operating systems use queues to manage processes and tasks. In network communications, queues organize data packets, ensuring they're handled in the correct order. They're also behind customer service systems and help desks.
Types of queues and their variations.
There are several types of queues, including circular queues, which reuse empty spaces to prevent overflow, and priority queues, where elements are served based on priority instead of order. Double-ended queues, or dequeues, allow adding or removing items from both ends. Each variation is suited for particular problems and requirements.
Why use queues in programming?
Queues help manage tasks that must be processed in a strict order, avoiding confusion or skip steps. They simplify the design of systems that must handle many requests, like web servers or background task processors. By using queues, programmers can create efficient, organized, and scalable solutions for a variety of real-world challenges.